If you're breastfeeding, you're not just nourishing your baby, you're also supporting your own recovery after pregnancy. While a balanced diet should always come first, certain vitamins and supplements can help fill nutritional gaps and support your health during the breastfeeding journey. The key is choosing supplements based on your individual needs rather than taking everything marketed for nursing moms. Health organizations recommend discussing any supplement with your healthcare provider, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. Many healthcare providers recommend continuing a prenatal or switching to a quality postnatal multivitamin while breastfeeding. These vitamins help provide important nutrients like folate, iodine, and vitamin B12 that support both maternal health and breast milk quality, particularly if your diet is inconsistent during the busy newborn months. Vitamin D is one of the most commonly recommended supplements for nursing mothers because it's difficult to get enough from food and sunlight alone. Maintaining healthy vitamin D levels supports bone health and immune function. If your baby is exclusively breastfed, pediatricians often recommend a separate vitamin D supplement for the baby as well. Omega-3 DHA is another valuable nutrient. DHA supports your baby's brain and eye development and can help replenish maternal stores after pregnancy. Eating 2 servings of low-mercury fatty fish each week is ideal, but a purified DHA supplement may be helpful if fish isn't a regular part of your diet. Calcium is essential because breastfeeding temporarily increases calcium demands. Most women can meet their needs through dairy products or calcium-rich foods, but supplementation may be appropriate if dietary intake is low. Pairing calcium with adequate vitamin D helps maximize absorption. Iron isn't necessary for every nursing mother. Your iron needs are generally lower after delivery than during pregnancy, but if you experience significant blood loss, have anemia, or blood tests show low iron stores, your healthcare provider may recommend supplementation. Vitamin B12 deserves special attention for vegetarian and vegan mothers. Since B12 is found mainly in animal products, supplementation may be necessary to prevent deficiency in both mother and baby. Iodine and choline are 2 nutrients that many nursing mothers don't think about, yet both play important roles in your baby's brain development. Some prenatal vitamins contain them, but not all, so it's worth checking the label. Many herbal milk-boosting supplements such as fenugreek, moringa, brewer's yeast, or blessed thistle are widely marketed, but scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness is mixed. They can also cause side effects or interact with medications. Before trying any lactation supplement, it's best to consult a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. Remember that supplements can't replace the basics of successful breastfeeding. Eating a varied diet, staying hydrated, breastfeeding or pumping frequently, getting enough calories, and addressing latch or feeding issues are usually more effective for maintaining milk supply than any supplement. At Pump with Isabella, we want you to know that every nursing journey is unique. The best supplement plan is one tailored to your health, your diet, and your baby's needs, not the latest trend on social media. When in doubt, ask your healthcare provider for personalized advice so you can nourish both yourself and your little one with confidence.